In this video, I'm going to show you how you can offer a course as part of a subscription plan in your SubHub website. I'm here on my public homepage. Normally, visitors could click on my Courses tab and see all the courses that I have available and purchase them individually. But I also have some membership subscriptions over here that allow access to articles and videos on my site, but not to any of the courses. What I want to do is include one of my courses as part of a subscription so that whenever a visitor signs up to the plan, they will be automatically enrolled in the course. This is a great option if you want to add value to a subscription plan or provide an incentive to subscribe to a higher priced membership level. Let's log in as admin and head over to our subscription plans. In this case, what I want to do is give my premium monthly members automatic access to a course I've created called How to Start a Profitable Online Business. If we go into this subscription plan, we see that I have assigned it a member group called Course Enrolled. Now all I have to do is go into the Member Manager to manage groups, find the group Course Enrolled, and check the course, How to Start a Profitable Online Business. So let's log out and sign up for the plan and see if we have access to the course. Going to subscribe, got that filled out. Okay, let's log in and come up to the My Account link, My Courses, and we are enrolled in the How to Start a Profitable Online Business course. And we can go ahead and consume the content. And that is how you can add a course enrollment to a membership subscription. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us at support@subhub.com.